All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry that I'm gone once again. What I want to walk you through is what you're going to be doing in class today. So you should all have two pieces of paper. You should have your transformations cheat sheet, and you should also have this worksheet, all transformations. Your goal today is to get through all of these questions correctly, and I want to make sure that you've answered everything fully. So I'm going to walk you through just number one, okay? Number one says that we are going to rotate this figure 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. Okay? So if you look at your transformations cheat sheet under rotations, we're going 90 degrees counterclockwise. So our rule is to go from x comma y to negative y comma x. So I'm going to move point z first. So z is at negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Negative 4, 0. And I need to flip the coordinates and then make the new first coordinate negative, but it's 0. So this point, if we're going to move it 90 degrees counterclockwise, instead of being at negative 4, 0, it's going to end at 0, negative 4. So I'm at 0, negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to be the point z prime. Next, let's move j. So j is originally at negative 5, negative 2. And what we need to do is we need to flip those coordinates and then make the new first coordinate positive because it's negative. And a negative and a negative makes positive. So our new coordinate here is going to be 2, negative 5. So I'm going to go to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to become our new point. I think it's j prime. I wrote over it. Okay? And that kind of looks like it makes sense here. I was 2 units away in 1. Here we're in the right place. Finally, point L is at 0, negative 3. So our new coordinate, I'm going to flip them. And then negative 3 is going to turn positive. So my last point is going to be at 3, comma 0. And I'm going to connect that. That's going to be L prime. And I'm going to connect my dots terribly because I'm trying to draw on the computer, so please forgive me. And we're going to look something like that. Okay? Here we're rotating about the origin. Okay? And that's going to be the same coordinate plane rules. All right? When you're translating, you're just going to move them. For number 4, the reflection across the x-axis, that's on your cheat sheet. It tells you how to move. And then you're writing a rule to describe each transformation. So what I want you to tell me for number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8 is tell me what happened. Was it a translation? And if it was, how many units in what direction? If it's a reflection, tell me that. And even better if you could draw the line of reflection. And if it's a rotation, tell me how many degrees you think that rotation was. Okay? Just like yesterday, you're going to have helpers to work you through this. Okay? This assignment is not needed to be turned in. Okay? We are going to talk on Monday about all these things that happened over the last couple of days and kind of get our ducks in a row. So don't worry if you don't have everything done yet. What I do expect during class today is that you are working diligently, okay? That you're using the class helpers to help you out. Mrs. Solner does have the answer key. However, I want you to make sure you're not using that as a crutch, okay? You guys should be working on your own, okay? She shouldn't be having to guide you through everything, okay? On Monday, please bring me this paper. Please have your task from yesterday, as well as your 1.1 ready, set, go from Wednesday. So it's a lot of papers. We're going to have to do a lot of organizing. Once again, thank you for making sure that you are being diligent. Thank you for being willing and okay with me being gone for a couple of days, and have a lovely weekend.